How to fix we can't tell if your PC has enough space in Windows 11. 1. Run chkdsk command, chkdskc/f/r2. Redownload the ISO. Again. 3. Delete the Windows. Old folder with disk cleanup tool 4. Launch the Extend Volume Wizard. Option to extend your system volume with disk management, admin mode. Note, review Windows. System requirements. 5. Google how to increase your C drive space. 5.1 using disk.msc. 5.2 with the shrink volume option in disk.msc. 5.3. Merge the C drive with other larger disk. 5.3.1 Delete the unused volume. 5.3.2 Extend the main volume. 5.4 Clean disk junks and unused apps. 6. Perform a clean boot. 7. Back up your data, and format all your disk with Windows ISO or Installation Wizard. Like this.